I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can quickly and easily clean your Ninja blender. I've been using this for a few months now, and there's a bunch of gunk and just dirt everywhere of the stuff that never made it out of the blender. And now you can always just put it in the dishwasher, but I find it doesn't get all the small nooks and crannies of this blender, so I'm going to show you how to get all of that little stuff out. Now to clean this, you're going to need dish soap, a sponge, a spoon, or a metal gasket, something with a sharp end. This is not the best one, but I don't have a metal gasket, so I'm using a spoon. And you're first gonna want to take off the lid and just open up everything. Just make it all into one pieces as you normally would if you put it in the dishwasher, like this. 2 pieces. And the first thing I recommend you doing is putting 6 ounces of water in the blender, turning it on, and just letting it run for like 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's gotten a lot of the small particles. They're just floating around in there. You can even add dish soap while you blend it and just pour out the dirty water. And next we're gonna clean the lid. Specifically in this little thing, there's a lot of mildew and dirt, and you can even see some just on this lid right here. And I recommend just scrubbing literally every section, especially get like the screw on point, this cap thing, because usually that is where all of the dirt and all the protein powder or whatever this thing stores when it's dirty. And to clean this little hole right here that you literally can't get to without a metal gasket or a sponge, I recommend just using a paper towel. Like just roll it up into the small like pointy tip. Maybe even give the towel a twist, and then just stick the end of the rolled up paper towel or tissue, whatever you're using, into the hole like so. Give it a few twists, shove it in there, and you can see it's gotten some of the gunk out. It's already done its job. Now that we've cleaned the lid, it's time to clean the blender. So I recommend just putting a little bit of dish soap as well as 6 ounces of water, which is about a third way full of this blender. Put the lid back on and literally just let it run for a round with dish soap and just water in it. This will get a lot of the residue out. You can even shake it while you do it. And once it's done, just take off the lid and dump this down the drain. Look at that, it looks so much cleaner. Next, we're just trying to get the soap out, so I'm just gonna give this a little rinse. And then I'm gonna run it again, except without any soap, just water. Once you've run it a second time, just pour it out, and your blender should be looking a lot cleaner than it was before. And if you can still see a little bit of residue in the bottom of this blender right here, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, I just recommend literally sticking your sponge in, stabbing it with a spoon, or using a metal gasket. I don't have that. But if you have something sharp with a sharp end, you're gonna wanna do this and just move it around with the end of the spoon. Really just scrape the bottom and get every single part of that blender. And that is how you clean your Ninja blender.